Hi there, I am Christopher Dunnigan. This is handmadeinvermont.com, and today we're talking about the Hubbardton Forge sweeping taper with 3 arms. There are 2 different styles of this. They look a lot alike. One is with glass and one is without glass. We'll talk about the differences between them, and let's start now. So, the big difference between them, obviously one has glass, one has no glass. So this is water glass, and this is the only option for the glass. Water glass is this kind of clear glass that has a slight ripple in it. And it's kind of like how ice forms on the side of a rock on a stream in the winter time in the mountains. It's that kind of ripply glass. It's a very elegant glass. Makes a little bit of a twinkling effect. Very understated elegance. So the one with the glass actually is going to cap you at 3 bulbs that are going to be 40 watts each because they're kind of clustered together, and these things have to cool by convection, which means the air has to rise. The one without glass, you actually are allowed to go up to 3 60-watt bulbs, and that's an incandescent bulb. When you go into LEDs, and I only have little night lights in here actually, but they are LEDs, you can put in whatever you like. This is an LED that could fit in here as well. Actually, let's put one in. So it's going to be a candelabra socket, which is the type B, and that's the smaller one. And you can see how this would look with a larger bulb. You could put a frosted bulb in. I would probably put in a flame tip bulb. I think that would look nice. But you can see the difference when a regular bulb goes in. Like I said, this is a little night light that we use in our showroom a lot because it's only 1 watt of LED light. So, it's a dimmable fixture. You can put it on a dimmer. Make sure you use a dimmer that's compatible with LEDs if you're using LEDs. And make sure you use dimmable LEDs if you're using LEDs on a dimmer. So it goes back and forth. So, like I said, the one with the glass is up to 40 watts incandescent. The one without the glass is up to 60 watts incandescent. The 101473, the one without the glass, is 17.5 inches high from here to the bottom and 12 inches in diameter. The one with the glass, this one, is actually a ½ inch taller. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but anyway, so 18 inches high and 12 inches in diameter. They come with 36 inches of chain, 15 feet of wire, the 5-inch round canopy kit that goes on the junction box. This is junction box. If you guys are replacing recessed hi-hats, those can lights, you've heard me talk about the can converter. It's out in the marketplace. You can take those recessed hi-hats and turn them into junction boxes. Very inexpensive, without a lot of mess. thecanconverter.com. We don't sell them, but I have a lot of customers who use them just when they want to swap those things out. So, we know we have 36 inches of chain, 15 feet of wire, canopy kit. If you need additional chain, they come in 36-inch increments, and just have to call us to order more. It'd be all in the same finish, so that part's fine. What else? So, on the 1474, there's a little trick for getting the glass out, which a lot of people don't remember because, you know, they buy this and they throw the installation instructions away, and they have it for 10 years. So, how you do it, so you can't, how do I get the glass out? So it's a little trick. So on the very bottom of this, that little knob right there unscrews, and what that does is it releases the socket cluster, which actually comes up, and then you take your glass and you just scoop it out. And this is a good chance for me to show you the glass. So that's the pretty water glass. Okay, hand blown, nice quality. So putting it back in again would be the same deal. You just lift the socket cluster up and then scoop it up inside, get in there, and then slowly lower the socket cluster, and you just put this little button tab on the bottom again. It just screws right on. So it's a great fixture. You have 9 different metal finishes to play with. We have a finishes help guide on our site. It's on the left-hand side screen in the red tabs. Click on it, go in and watch the video, read the page. These parts are the heavy forging, so they may have some modeling depending on the finish you choose and the time of year, actually, with the humidity in the air, but it'll explain that in the video. So that's it. So you have 9 different finishes in the glass or no glass versions of these. So great fixture. It's great for a foyer. That's, I think, the stairways where these things generally go into. Some people put these over breakfast tables too, but they can go anywhere. So. Anyway, so it's in our showroom in black. It's going to go back up again. Our number is 802-446-2400. If you guys have any questions, email us at sales@handmadenvermont.com. Our showroom's open every day except Sunday, 11 to 6. Phones are open every day except Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So thanks for stopping in, and we will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.